Are you ready for the 15th annual West Knits Mystery Shawl Knit Along? Go Go Dynamo! Let's dive into another mystery season with the Go Go Dynamo Shawl. This is going to be a really dynamic, energetic knitting adventure filled with lots of contrasty, maybe some stripes going on. There's going to be a big contrast effect that you can play with. So for this year's shawl, you need 2 colors minimum. We're going to go with 2 colors in either a solid. You could go in one color palette, or you could get a solid with a speckle. So you could go for a really high contrast color vibe, like a really dark and a really bright. So you're gonna need 2 skeins of each color for the Go Go Dynamo, about 200 grams of each color in fingering weight yarn. And the 2 colors are the Go and the Go, okay? That's the Go and the Go of the Dynamo. So you've got your Go, Go, but what's gonna be your Dynamo? This is the year of a Mohair Dare color opportunity, so you can spice up your shawl this year with an extra fluffy accent or some extra color pops if you want. So you're gonna find all of these fun, juicy kits on our kit launch on Saturday, August 31st. So all you need to knit the shawl is a Go and a Go, a main color and a contrast color, but there's an option of adding a little Dynamo accent. So all of our kits feature 2 colors, 200 grams of each color in fingering weight yarn. And if you want to add a little fluffy Mohair Dare, we do that each year in the mystery shawl where you can incorporate your own color accents. And this year I'll be specifying exactly where you could add an optional Mohair Dare. Do you dare to add a little mohair to your shawl? This could be a coordinating color to your 2 colors, so you could get a matchy color that matches with one of your colors. So if you've got a contrast color and a really bright neon, you could get a similar bright neon glow hair from our West Wool Glow Hair to coordinate. Just one 25-gram ball is an optional little addition you can use this year. Or what I'm gonna do, I'm going for this Clementine Dawn palette from Walk Collection. I'm knitting with this for a high contrast, and I'm gonna add an extra little Mohair Dare lavender unicorn colorway from our Glow Hair. So the Glow Hair is totally optional, but if you like to spice up your knitting with some fluffy accents, there's gonna be detailed guidance on where to do that each week throughout the knit along. And it all begins on August 31st with our kit launch and signups. So if you've never done a mystery knit along before, you have a whole month to pick out your colors throughout September. And then we're gonna start knitting on October 3rd. So each week in October, you'll get a section of the pattern until we figure out what the design is gonna be. We don't know the shapes or the techniques, but you know it's gonna be really, really fun each week with a really dynamic, fun, adventurous spirit throughout the knit-along. And in terms of contrast, one of the past mystery knit-alongs was the Starflake. This was a few years ago, and this is a really good example of 2 colors interacting together. So this year's knit-along is gonna be really different from Starflake, but the color relationship, you could imagine if you like your colors in a Starflake, then you'll love the colors in the Go Go Dynamo. So Starflake uses a main color contrast, and you can see that the colors are used in different ways, close together, further apart. You get an equal representation of both colors throughout the shawl. So you want to make sure that you love both of your yarns, and you're needing about 200 grams of each color. So let's look at a few color inspirations for Go Go Dynamo. All of these will be kits launching on August 31st at Stephen Penelope. We're debuting our new tricycle yarn as well. This is a superwash merino that comes in 50-gram skeins. So pay close attention to your yardage. If you're working with either 100 grams, you're gonna need 2 of each color of 100-gram skeins. But if you're using 50-gram skeins, like the tricycle, you'll need 4 of each color. So I've got a dark and a light. This is our palette called Enchanted Sea. It's a very teal, icy blue toned palette, Enchanted Sea. And 4 of each of the tricycle will be with those kits that you get in the launch on August 31st. And if you want to add those extra glow hairs, all of these are available individually, and we have a whole rainbow of 48 colors. So you could collect 1 or 2 to spice up your 2-color palette if you're feeling extra adventurous. Again, this is totally optional, but I wanted to really embrace that spirit of customizing your shawl this year. So if you've got your 2 colors, that's your bare minimum to participate, but you could always add a little spicy, fluffy pop, or even a bold color that kind of matches the color palette but accentuates the tones. So all these will be on August 31st for the kit launch, and you can sign up just by getting the pattern on Ravelry or on westknits.com, and you'll get a whole intro PDF filled with all the gauge and the needle tips and advice on how to swatch and get started. But once you've got your yarn picked out, you can use any yarn you like. And you're gonna need some needles, a US 4, 3.5 millimeter needle. And I recommend having a spare circular needle for holding stitches, or some waste yarn will work just fine, and a couple stitch markers. And once you get your yarn picked out, you just wanna do a little gauge swatch. So do a little test and garter stitch with your colors, and we're aiming for about 24 stitches and 48 rows with our garter stitch. So we've got a whole month to play with our little swatches, pick out your colors, and feel what kind of vibe you want to go with for this year's Go-Go Dynamo MKAL. So this is one of the other kits we have called Magenta Glitz from Twisted Ambitions, and this is an option where you could go with a solid main color and a more splashy speckled contrast color. So with that color relationship, you don't want to put 2 really busy yarns together because they're going to blend a little bit too much. So if you have those fun variegated or splashy yarns, I recommend pairing those with a solid to let those colors pop and radiate from the fabric very crisply. So these are some really fun options of using those really splashy speckles. This is called Aubergine Fool, this kit from Twisted Ambitions. A really dark purple is going to contrast with those light splashy speckles. So lots of fun options. We put a lot of splashy speckled kits together, and there's a lot of other solid options too. So when in doubt, you could just get a color pop and a darker shade, and that's going to give you a really graphic high contrast effect in the shawl. So it begins August 31st. We've got the whole month to prepare in September. October 3rd will be that cast on date, and I'll surprise you with really fun techniques, lots of detailed video tutorials along the way. So if you haven't done a mystery shawl before, this can be your first one, and I show you how to cast on any new technique or construction element that's in the design. I'll show you with clear videos each week, and all you got to do is pick 2 colors and maybe a little mohair dare if you're feeling adventurous. The last thing you'll notice for our kits this year, we're gonna have some really fun goodies, like some stickers, and every kit comes with this new little shawl pin. This is a metal little shape that may give you a clue to some little shapely elements in this year's mystery shawl, but it's a simple metal style that you can just toss your shawl over your shoulders and pop that pin to keep the shawl nice and secured. So this comes with every little kit, that little shawl pin. So I hope you'll join me with your yarns and colors and share all your accent ideas along the way. And we'll be using hashtag MKAL 2024, hashtag Westknits MKAL 2024, and hashtag GoGo Dynamo for this year's mystery adventure. So I can't wait to see you for the signups on August 31st on Stephen and Penelope for the kits, and for the pattern, those will be on Ravelry and westknits.com. I'll put all those links down below for you so you can get a preview of the kits down below and anticipate that cast on date. And I'll see you for the cast on for the Go-Go Dynamo shawl.